OnePlus 8 5010, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to open the list of all apps, then scroll down and select the settings. Here you have to find and pick security and lock screen. And now under device security you will find fingerprint, so just tap on it. And here you have to come along with terms and conditions, so just tap on them. You can read it here and accept them by tapping on next. And now it's time to choose your backup screen method, so it can be pattern, pin code or password. So let me pick, for example, pin code. Now you have to enter it. You have to remember that your password, your pin code must have at least 4 characters. So let me enter 1, 2, 3, 4. Then tap on next, and 1, 2, 3, 4, you have to confirm it. And now you have to also decide if you would like to see all notifications once your device is locked, or if you would like to hide sensitive content, or maybe you won't see anything. So in that case, select don't show notifications at all, and then tap on done. And now you have to touch the sensor, which is over here, so just turn around your device and tap on this sensor. And keep tapping until the lock screen, the fingerprint, is fully added. So as you can see, I'm still tapping over here. And now there is one more tapping, and that's it. Your fingerprint has been added. Once it's done, just select done, go back, let's lock the screen, and as you can see, you have to tap over here to unlock it, and now it's unlocked. So actually that's it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.